Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove unwanted search engines from Google Chrome. If your searches are being redirected to an unfamiliar search engine or you just want to clean up your list, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click on the three-dot menu icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the left-hand side, click on Search Engine. This section controls the default search engine and the list of all search providers saved in your browser. Now click on Manage Search Engines. Here you will see a list of all search engines Chrome has stored, including the default one and any others that may have been added either by you or by some software you install. Find the search engine you want to remove. Next to it, you will see three vertical dots. Click on them, click Delete. That search engine is now deleted. If the unwanted search engine is set as your default, the delete option will be grayed out. First, select another search engine like Google or Bing and set it as default. Then go back to the unwanted one, click the three dots and remove it. Some search engines can't be removed directly if they were installed by an extension or software. In that case, go to the Extensions section in Chrome. Click the three dots menu again, go to Extensions, and check any unfamiliar extensions, disable or remove them if needed. After removing unwanted extensions, restart Chrome and check if the search engine is still there. If it is, you might need to reset Chrome settings. To do this, go back to Settings, scroll down to Reset Settings, and click Restore Settings to their original defaults. Referred by clicking Reset Settings. This will remove any unnecessary search engines, reset your home page, and disable all extensions without deleting your box marks or saved buzzwords. Once done, restart Chrome and check if the issue is resolved. That's it. You have successfully removed unwanted search engines from Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.